let's say that we're spraying, but the material looks like it's starting to maybe get a little streaky. There's an issue. Always in the past, you've been relied on subjective opinion based off of whether your spray tips are worn out or not. We created a feature called test tips. So in test tips, I'll select that. I'll select whichever material that I'm spraying. So I make sure I'm using that material. That's what I'm calibrated to. And now it's going to, I'll put a bucket under one tip, and we're going to set it for 15 seconds. I can increase or decrease that if I want, but 15 is good. Okay. It's going to remind me to put one, it says one new nozzle, but we're going to be using the nozzle that we have on there. We're going to put our calibrated bucket underneath that one spray tip that's open. And it's going to kick on. It's going to run for 15 seconds. So it automatically opens the spray bar, pump on, all of that. When it's done, it'll turn the pump off, close the spray bar. So it's super simple. And then it's going to ask us how much material. So we don't know what pressure this is at. So you can't fudge this. You're going to put in whatever volume you had. So you know what? We ran 1 gallon. Oh, that tip is worn out. It's putting out more volume through that tip than what should be, right? So if the volume was a little bit less, it was within the range of what's been tested as determined good for that spray tip, then it would give us a thumbs up and says tip's still good. Now, this does not force me to change the tips, but it does give me a measurable thing to say, hey, my spray tips need to be replaced at the earliest convenience because they're getting more volume through the tip than they should be because they're worn out. Because we're spraying an aggregate loaded material, we're going to eat those tips up.